Morning students. Now let's learn about emphasizing pronoun. Reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun both look similar, but emphatic pronoun is used to emphasize noun or pronoun. So first of all we will discuss about the emphasizing pronoun. What is emphasizing pronoun? A pronoun used to convey emphasis is called an emphasizing pronoun. Right? For example, I myself locked the door. Right? So, in this sentence, nobody else, only I locked the door. So, I know it was locked. Here, the word myself has been used as an emphasizing pronoun. It's clear? Now, we will see the difference between reflexive pronoun or emphasizing pronoun. Means how we can recognize reflexive pronoun or emphasizing pronoun. So there is a trick for you. In reflexive pronoun, in the sentence, first of all a verb is given and just after the verb a self word is given. For example, I blamed myself for my failure. So, in this sentence, you can see here that the first verb is given, right? And just after the verb, self word is given. So, it will be reflexive pronoun. Now, we will discuss about the emphasizing pronoun. In emphasizing pronoun, first personal pronoun will be given and just after the personal pronoun, self word is given. So it means it will be emphasizing pronoun. You can see here in this example, I is given, right? I is, we all know that I is personal pronoun and just after the personal pronoun, self word is given. So it is myself. Clear? So it was the trick. In reflexive pronoun, verb will be given and after the verb, self word is given. And in emphasizing, personal pronoun will be given and after the personal pronoun, self word is given. So, in this way, we can recognize which is reflexive pronoun and which is emphasizing pronoun. Now, we will discuss about the possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns refers to ownership, that is something belonging to somebody. Means a pronoun that shows position is called a possessive pronoun. For example, this book is mine. So, mine. Mine is possessive pronoun. Right? This mine is possessive pronoun. This book is yours. Yours is also a possessive pronoun. This book is hers, so hers is also a possessive pronoun. Now, let's learn about relative pronoun. A relative pronoun relates a noun to a group of words that follow, right? For example, where is the man who gave you this news? So, who? Who is relative pronoun and it relates a noun to a group of words, right? Next example is, this is the book which you have been looking for. So, which is also a relative pronoun and it relates a noun to a group of words. Here are the colors that you wanted. So, that is also a relative pronoun.